Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at Chat GPT, I'm going to look at Jasper.ai, I'm going to sort of compare the two and then draw some conclusions. So if you wanted to sort of use these AI tools to make your life easier when creating content, then stay and watch the video because you'll find out, how Chat GPT and Jasper.ai match up to each other. So basically this whole AI thing just blew up in the past couple of months when Chat GPT was launched to the world. I mean, it launched either late last year or maybe early January, and people are just all over it. I do believe Chat GPT is the fastest growing tech company in the world. I think it was the fastest to reach 100 million users, which it did in around about 2 months, which is absolutely insane. And basically Chat GPT is basically one of the hottest sort of subjects out there, and it's just blown up the whole AI industry into the mainstream. Everyone wants to start using it and play around with it because AI is so new. But how are tools like Jasper.ai and Chat GPT going to help content creators and businesses? Well, a big idea for Chat GPT and Jasper.ai is to save you time and give you ideas. So basically Chat GPT is great for, and Jasper.ai great for writing outlines for articles, blog posts, emails, and giving you sort of ideas. So, just before I came on the video, I just typed in, here are 5, give me 5 birthday ideas, and this is what it spat out. In fact, what I'm going to do is do a new chat and just sort of ask it, what are the top cryptocurrencies to invest in? Now, it might not give me anything, but we'll see what it can do. So this is, here we go. Yeah, it's pretty clever. I mean, this is basically what it does. I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is basically Chat GPT in action. It's good. Yeah. So basically, I mean, I know a lot about cryptocurrency. So yeah, it's knocking out the big coins, among others, So yeah, that is basically what Chat GPT can do. I mean, you can... Basically, this tool isn't perfect. It's only new. It's going to be getting better over time. I do believe ChatGPT have released an upgrade to Plus, which you pay for. It just gives you more advanced features. I think it's faster, and there might be support. I don't know, but yeah, as you can see, it's a really cool tool. It's a bit basic. This is obviously my dashboard, but yeah, you can ask it. I mean, you can ask it all sorts of things and it will spit ideas and content out for you. I mean, obviously with this, it's just an outline. So if I wanted to take this, I'd have to go and add my own spin on it with my own education knowledge, but it gives you a starting point in order to, write a blog post. So that is basically ChatGPT. Big idea for it, just to recap, is to save you time writing content and give you lots of ideas. So let's have a quick look at Jasper. Now, Jasper is very similar to ChatGPT, and I do believe Jasper actually runs on the same software that ChatGPT uses. The main difference is Jasper's a lot more user-friendly. It's the whole interface is, much more user-friendly. Let me just show you the dashboard and sort of show you what it can do. I mean, this is the main dashboard. This is my account. I use Jasper to help me write content, but these are all the different templates. So it's a lot more user friendly to a beginner. I mean, these are copywriting frameworks. If you want to write a copy, a piece of copy using the Ada framework, which is the oldest framework in the book, you can. Amazon product descriptions, before, after, bridge, blog post, conclusion. I mean, these are all the different commands, Facebook ad headline, Facebook ad primary text, FAQ generator. I mean, it does all sorts. And it's all templatized. So whilst Jasper.ai is as powerful as Chat GPT. It might not even be as powerful. It's so much more user-friendly because all of these templates will guide you step by step through it. So that is, whilst Jasper.ai is very similar, it's more user-friendly and it's backed up by full support. Also, you can do art with it. I haven't got the art package because I really need it. But all of these templates. So let's, here we go. Let's open one of these documents. I mean, you can start from scratch or you can use the workflow. So I'm going to start workflow or select workflow. We're going to do just like, let's do a blog post, start workflow, and Chat GPT will create a document. And let's see what it spits out compared to so blog post title, what are the, here we go, let's just, what is cryptocurrency? Let's just type that in. What are cryptocurrency? So I'm going to put crypto investors, casual, and let's just see what Jasper comes up with. So Jasper's just running in the background. So as you see, it's taken a bit of time. I don't know whether this is my internet connection because I tested it earlier and it was super quick. But it's, oh, here we go. So this is basically what Jasper's, you know, is a digital currency, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, as you can see here, this is what Jasper's, you know, turfed out. What is cryptocurrency? And this is the output. You know, obviously it's just an outline. I mean, it's pretty, I mean, this is pretty, you know, complex. I mean, basically, you know, what you can do here is just take that and adjust it. I mean, this isn't perfect. There's probably, I'm just trying to, you know, read it really quickly. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, obviously it's given me a much bigger answer than obviously Chat GPT. If we look at Chat GPT, it's what it, you know, turfed out. Oh, cryptocurrency explanation. This is what it turfed out. This is Jasper. And this is what Jasper's turfed out. So obviously what Jasper's sort of produced for me is a lot, you know, a lot more in depth. It's given me a lot more information. But yeah, both are really cool tools. I would just say Jasper.ai is a little more user-friendly and maybe gives you a little more sort of content. So basically, if I wanted to use this, I just take it, take out anything that doesn't make sense and just add my own spin on it. So it's pretty, Jasper's pretty cool. Now, obviously, this is the free version of Chat GPT, but like I said, you can upgrade. But Jasper, you have to pay for it. So Jasper, you get a 5-day free trial, but then I think their plans start from $59 a month, depending on, you know, how much you need to use it. So really, what are the differences between ChatGPT and Jasper.ai? Well, ChatGPT is basically the, you know, it basically, you know, runs Jasper, but ChatGPT is a little more basic. To really get the most out of ChatGPT, you really need to do prompt engineering. I'm still trying to learn that, so you can get the maximum power from it. Obviously, it's quite basic. You just put a new chat in here and, you know, type in, you know, a prompt, and then ChatGPT will knock something out for you. So I think really to get the most out of Chat GPT, you really need to know prompt and do prompt engineering so you can communicate effectively with the AI software so you can get what you want. But Chat GPT is really cool. So my advice is get a free account and start playing with it. So how do we compare Chat GPT to Jasper? So Jasper is more of a professional tool. It's for businesses or content creators who basically want to save time writing content. So like, as you can see here, had them write this blog post about cryptocurrency. I mean, it's a lot, what it's turfed out, it's a lot more in depth than Chat GPT. But at the end of the day, it's a paid tool, so you're going to get more bang for your buck. It's a lot more user friendly. And also there's a whole support network. It's got full chat support and support. So if you get stuck, you can get support if you get stuck. Whereas ChatGPT, I don't think there is any support. And also Jasper, it's a lot prettier. It's easier to use, and it's completely templatized. So basically, it just guides you through, what you want to do, whether you want to write copy, ads, as you can see here. So it's a lot more user-friendly than ChatGPT. And there's a full help section to help you get the most out of this tool. But which one is better? Well, I mean, very subjective. Obviously, ChatGPT, to get the most out of it, you're probably going to have to play with it a lot, understand prompts and prompts engineering, and know how to speak to it effectively to get what you want. So yeah, it's great for people who just want to play and get the most out of it. The good thing about ChatGPT, the basic version is free. Downside, it can obviously, when a lot of people are using it, it can be very slow. It won't answer your query, and there's obviously no support or really any idea how to use it. But obviously with Jasper, it's fully templatized. All these different templates depending on what you want to create. There's a load of help to show you how to use it properly. I think the content is what it turns out a little more complex. It's a lot more in depth. Basically, Jasper's just a really great time-saving tool, and it's basically all done for you. So basically, if you're a business owner and you want to create a piece of copy or whatever, you can just choose your template and go. Whereas ChatGPT, you have to speak to it effectively to get what you want, and you don't get any of the support. So which one would I recommend? I think if you're really geeky and you love tech and you just want to play with ChatGPT, I think ChatGPT is great for you, and I think you should have it anyway and play with it, because I mean, once you know how to use it properly and get the correct prompts, and I think it's a game-changing tool. But obviously, if you're a business owner and you just want to have ideas for creating content and get outlines so you can save time, then I think Jasper's the way to go. This tool's really directly towards content creators and business owners that just want to get on and create content quickly. Whereas ChatGPT, whilst it is effectively the same, there's going to be a steep learning curve, because to get the most out of it, you need to do prompt and prompt engineering so you can talk to it correctly, so you can get the content that you want. My advice is, if you're really geeky and you love tech, then I'd get a ChatGPT account. If you're a business owner and just want to get outlines for your content, so you can knock out content quickly and get ideas, then I think Jasper.ai is the way to go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll put a link down to ChatGPT below if you want a free ChatGPT account, and also I'll link to Jasper.ai down in the description as well. So if you want to open a Jasper account and start using it, you can. With Jasper, you get a 5-day free trial, but then after 5 days, you will go onto a pay plan, and like I said, pay plans start from $59 a month. Just in the 4 acts of honesty and transparency, if you get Jasper through my link, I do get a small commission in return, but that commission just helps me to run this channel and help you guys, figure out all of this stuff. Anyway, hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you like the video, why not like it? And why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you found the video useful, and I'll speak to you soon.